our favourite cars. We love buying these. This is a BMW M135i automatic. It's 2013 63 plate with only 56,800 miles on the clock. It's got a full BMW service history, literally serviced about 1,000 miles ago. We've got the full iDrive service history on our pictures if you want to have a look. There's a couple of little marks I've got to do to the car before it's ready for sale, but in the main it's a lovely car in this Estoril Blue colour. As you can see, 56,800 miles. It's got heated seats, climate control. It's in very nice condition. We literally have only just washed and leathered this car. We haven't done any valeting to it yet, but it's a really nice example. Going up for sale for 15,995. If you're interested, please get in touch. It's here now. Thanks for watching.